Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use teamwork.com for your SEO strategy and implementation. This is your full 2025 guide to mastering SEO with teamwork.com. Firstly, let's get started with project creation. On teamwork.com, every SEO campaign you plan should start with a new project. This helps us stay organized and track our SEO efforts effectively. The reason we do this is to keep our SEO strategy structured and manageable. Next up, we're setting up task lists within our project. Task lists are crucial for breaking down your SEO strategy into tangible actions. This way, you can assign these tasks to your team and monitor their progress. It's like your own personal SEO roadmap, keeping you on track. Now that we've done that, it's time to use the messages feature. This is where you'll communicate with your team about the tasks, brainstorm, or even discuss the latest SEO trends. This feature is essential because SEO is a dynamic field that requires constant communication and adjustment. The next step involves using the Files and Links feature. Here, you can store all the resources related to your SEO project: keyword lists, competitor analysis, SEO audit reports. This helps us because it ensures all crucial documents are in one place and easily accessible. Finally, let's talk about the time tracking feature. This allows you to track how much time is spent on each task. The reason we do this is to understand where most of the effort is going, and if needed, reallocate resources for optimal results. Now, let me explain why this matters. Using teamwork.com for SEO strategy and implementation creates a structured, systematic approach to boost your website's visibility. It allows for collaboration, effective task management, and keeps all your SEO-related information centralized. And that's it. You are now fully equipped to use teamwork.com for your SEO strategy and implementation. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, effective SEO is all about teamwork. Until next time.